you to our awesome patrons who made this video possible. To join our community and get cool rewards like postcards from around the world, click the link in the description or go to patreon.com/thewayaway.
Well, good morning, Way Fam, from Bangkok. For the last full day that we have here, we have a special announcement about the future of this channel. But first, we're gonna eat breakfast. Okay, we are packing up because it's time to go somewhere else.
I cannot believe it. It's crazy.
So if you haven't been following our channel for a long time, or if you have, even a little recap, we've been in Thailand for 2 months now.
Oh my gosh.
We didn't film like every single day because while we were here in Thailand, we wanted to catch up on a bunch of planning and a bunch of things for the channel. Some of the things you may have seen, we got a new banner for our channel. We've updated our media kit, which is like a behind the scenes work thing. In addition to that, Ashley has been meticulously planning out our future.
We have so many amazing things coming up, and so today we need to pack our bags for the first time in 2 months. We unpacked and it was lovely.
We had a closet, we had drawers.
Yeah, I can't believe that we need to pack everything up and try to make it fit in our bags
I'm
again.
not looking forward to making everything fit. We're gonna have to get rid of some things. We kind of got new-ish wardrobes. Like we got a couple new shirts and different things so that we kind of had like a color scheme for like photos and stuff, which means that we ran out of space in our bags and we're gonna have to get rid of a few things, I'm sure.
Yeah, so today that's what we're doing, is packing up, and we're gonna share with you where we're going next.
Oh geez, oh, okay, hold on, I'm all tangled. I have literally a lamp up my butt. Okay, we're good.
Why are you on? You go over there.
Me? Okay, I'll move. As you can see, we're having a great time. The thing is we've got our stuff spread out. We've just really made ourselves at home the last 2 months. And we have to completely, it's like packing up a home. Because we've lived here for 2 months. We have to completely reorganize everything. Hang-ups over there. I still have some in the drawer.
The washer.
Yeah.
I don't know how to organize all this. I'm a little overwhelmed.
Yeah.
Oh, geez.
Yeah.
That's a little sneaky spot.
Right? I've got clothes here too. Okay, you've had the chance to go through some of your clothes. How you feeling?
Not great. I have 2 packing cubes. I have this larger packing cube and then I have a smaller packing cube. Usually I try to put my jeans and dresses in the larger packing cube plus some sweaters. But my shirt pile is looking a little big for this small packing cube.
Yeah, my shirt pile got really big too. I think my grand total is I have 4 button-up shirts and then 7 t-shirts, but plus 2 pairs of jeans, 2 pairs of shorts, a pair of yoga pants, and a bag of underwear. And yours isn't looking much better.
Yeah.
I feel like now is an appropriate-ish time to tell you where we're going. Ashley, should we tell the fine folks why we're having such a hard time packing all these different types of clothes?
Sure.
Okay. Like I said, Ashley has been planning ferociously, not just where we're going next, but the future. Where we're going to be going for the next 2 to 3 months?
Yeah, we have some really cool things in the works.
Genuinely excited about this.
Yeah, we are going to start off by going to Australia.
Tomorrow.
A lot of you have been asking for us to go to Australia, so we couldn't pass up the chance to go there while we're in this part of the world.
Yeah.
So
I feel like this is the closest we've actually ever been, except for
Yeah.
maybe India and kind of Japan. But we came to New Zealand a little bit earlier this year. Now we're in Thailand, and we're finally getting to go to Australia.
yeah, so we'll be in Australia for about 10 days. Leaving tomorrow. Our videos are up to date. You guys will be seeing us doing the things that we're doing. Make sure to follow our Instagram because we are going to keep that up daily, and they will pretty much coincide with all of our videos. But we are headed to Melbourne. We will be there for 3 days. And then we will be getting a car and taking a road trip down the Great Ocean Road, which is one of the most iconic road trips you can do in Australia. Just the two of us.
Just the two of us. We actually invited one of our Australian friends, but he's in Perth, and if you know anything about Australia, that is beards away, so very far, he won't be able to make it.
Yeah, but we do have a way fan picking us up from the airport.
Oh yeah, I feel like that. Like our next plans, like we're meeting up with so many people. I like that.
You guys have been getting a hold of us, and that's one of the reasons why we want to tell you ahead of time where we're going because we really want to meet with you guys. So we have a way fan picking us up from the airport. We have some other people who are living in Adelaide, which after our Great Ocean Road trip, we will be ending in Adelaide, and we will be meeting them as well as some really good friends of ours that we haven't seen in a really long time, who are actually native to Australia. So it'll be really fun to hang out with locals. So that's the next 10 days. Then from there, under my pushing and prodding, we will be spending some time in Central Western Europe. Like if you guys know me, I love that part of the world. I've said in our top 5 countries that I love France, I love the Netherlands, I love Germany, all these different places. And guess where we're going? France, the Netherlands, Germany, as well as Belgium and a few other places. We will literally have the longest travel day of our lives getting from Australia to Amsterdam, which is where we're going to be. Amsterdam has a huge celebration called King's Day, which we didn't plan on being there then.
Nope.
But we will be.
Maybe we'll even throw in a video. We weren't even planning on filming, but then they're like, it's King's Day, it's gonna be crazy. And we're like, well, then maybe we need to film.
Yeah, so if you guys know anything about King's Day, let us know down below. We are working with a company called Thalys, which is a rail company, and we'll be with them for about 6 days with other people who are doing blogging, I believe, and we'll be stopping in 4 different countries using their rail system and doing really fun things in the country. So we're super excited about that partnership.
So that goes from basically Amsterdam all the way up. Does it end in Paris? Or
no, we end in Belgium.
We end in Belgium.
But
okay.
We're going to the Netherlands, we're going to Germany, we're going to France, and we're going to Belgium, all in 6 days. So it really is the best way to show you guys how you can see a lot of Europe in such a short period of time by just taking rail travel.
And then, if I'm not mistaken, again, Ashley does most of the planning. So if I'm not mistaken, as I understand our schedule, after that, we are going to be slowing down a little bit again, and we'll be spending some time in Germany next.
Yeah, so then we'll be going for about 5 days to Stuttgart.
Stuttgart.
And we have 2 friends there that will be visiting that have, like, just a whole list of fun things for us to do in Germany. Yeah, we're super, super stoked to hang out with them. If you're anywhere in the area, let us know. Supposedly there's a white asparagus that comes out in the springtime that you're supposed to try.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Okay.
And lots of beer. So we're looking forward to Germany. And after that, we are, fingers crossed, if everything goes right, supposed to go on a river cruise in Germany.
That's right.
For 8 days.
I was like, I know we were supposed to do that, but I forgot the timeline.
This is like one of my top things that I've been really wanting to do is doing a river cruise.
We've actually talked about this for almost 3 years now.
Yeah, so we're super, super stoked that we're going to be working with a company. We'll go on the river cruise with them and all of the different German stops that we'll be taking. We'll be doing different excursions there and seeing a little bit more of Germany. After that,
I was gonna take a guess, and is it after that we head up to the Nordics?
No.
Okay, that's coming soon.
After that, we'll be hanging out with Laura in Germany for a week.
Okay, I thought you meant we were leaving Germany, but all right. Yes, we're hanging out with our friend Laura.
And we'll be on the Rhine, hopefully, and the Mosel River, which is a huge wine making area in Germany, specifically Riesling, which is something that Josh and I both love.
There's
and
few
enjoy.
drinks that we agree on, and that's Riesling.
Yeah, it's so good. So we want to share that with you guys, visiting small German towns, enjoying our time with Laura, kind of like a wine part 2 of our time with Laura in Portugal.
There you go. And then we go to the Nordics?
And then we go to Paris for a week for kind of like a...
I'm not that disappointed. I love
kind of
Paris.
like we'll just take that week to actually catch up on things because we'll have been so busy before that. And then after that, we will head to...
Paris.
No!
Oh, we were just in Paris. Dang it. The Nordics.
Ding, ding, ding!
Hey! So this one I do know about. We've worked out to get rail passes with Eurail, and it's like, what's it called? The global entry
We have a
ticket?
global pass.
That's right. So
for 15 days. So we can within a 2-month period of time,
There you
we
go.
can take a rail travel for 15 days within
right.
that period of
and
time.
so we plan to go up to Finland and then over to Sweden and Norway. And then are we at all going to be hitting up Denmark?
No.
Dang it. Okay. Well, anyways, we're spending
Not in the
time.
plan.
Okay, so we're spending time up there, and then we're possibly meeting up with Laura again, who is going to be traveling with her friends, and we'll maybe
our
see
friends.
them.
Yeah,
Well, yeah.
hopefully in Norway. So our Nordic adventure will be taking train travel all through the Nordic countries, just to show you guys how you can actually travel from Finland through Sweden by going up into Lapland and then down into Sweden and then over to Norway. So it will be a crazy fun adventure. During that time, it will be summertime, and in June, the Nordics, they
The midnight sun?
yeah, they celebrate like the midnight sun, and they celebrate midsummer, which is mid-June, where it's the longest day of the year. The sun does not set for most of the time, so we will be in for an adventure.
And then after that, we're not exactly sure.
We have to leave the Schengen after that. We'll have stayed our 90 days that we're allowed to stay in the Schengen area. So after that, we will leave to somewhere else. We have plenty of ideas and plenty of fun things that I'll be continuing to work on, but for now, all the details kind of need to be sussed out before continuing planning. But
That's our next 2 to 3 months, basically.
yeah, we're really excited to go to Europe. We're super stoked about meeting you guys, meeting friends. If you're any of these areas, or if you have any suggestions of these areas, please let us know, because we love to meet with you guys. We love to do things you guys are interested in.
And in the description of every video that we have, there's a link to our itinerary, approximate itinerary. So if you want to like keep track of where we're supposed to be, you can click on that and you can literally see where we're supposed to be during that time.
It's a calendar that I
Right.
keep up. As much as I know the plans, you guys will know the plans too.
So I'm curious, what are you guys most excited for? Even if you're not living in these areas, what are you guys looking forward to most on these things that we talked about? Because personally, all of it I'm extremely excited for.
Yeah.
Like literally everything that we're doing these next 2 or 3 months is the sort of stuff that I want to do. And I'm actually super pumped about that, because we've been, not that I don't like Thailand, but we've been staying here and my heart is in Europe. So I'm really excited about that. All right, we've got pretty much everything in its place. How you doing, Ash?
Good, except I packed everything up really nicely and then realized that I still had my sandals on my feet and I have nowhere to put them. I don't know what to do with them. It's the worst, because I have everything perfectly put in its place and now no room for my sandals.
So just so you guys know, this is about the extent of all the clothes we're leaving behind. 1.5 little bags full of stuff. Do you need help?
I mean, you got some room in your bag?
No. Not that kind of help. Okay, my bag is packed up, except for things that are charging, and I'm gonna edit this video and upload it for you guys in just 1 second. So, Ashley, you're done, right?
Yeah, everything is good to go. I didn't get it, like, I had to leave a few things behind it.
What?
But
Was there anything you left behind where you're like, I really wanted to keep that?
yeah, I have a sweater that I really want to keep, but I just got 2 new sweaters, and so I need to, and I've had it for like years. So.
You know what? I do actually have some room in my bag.
Uh-huh.
We'll see after the video turns off. Depends on how nice you are to me.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we are going to close this out for the night. We have an early morning, actually not that early, like 8 a.m.
Yeah, we have to leave at 8 a.m.
Right.
So our flight is until 1, which is pretty good, except that we're going to Kuala Lumpur for a while, and then we have an overnight flight to Australia.
So I intend on using my lounge pass again.
Yeah,
That's
we
gonna be fun.
cannot wait. So yeah, thanks guys. We are super excited. Let us know down below how excited you are for the future of the Way-Away.
On a scale of 1 to 10 fire emojis, how fired up are you? Okay, we'll see you next video.
Bye.
Bye. A huge shout out to all of our patrons who helped make this video possible. If you want to follow more, go to Instagram at WayAwayMag. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Way More, if you want to see way more from us.